Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, I welcome you all to the subject digital image processing. This video is from chapter number 5, that is the image enhancement methods into the frequency domain. These methods actually work for the betterment of visual quality of image with respect to the human vision perception. So in this actually chapter, we are getting the transformation from spatial domain to the frequency domain, processing there and getting back to the spatial domain to show you the results. So in such a case, when we are having a low pass filter, the transfer function in this video we are going to display with the help of MATLAB environment. The previous video you have seen how actually the ideal low pass filter works for the purpose of betterment into the visual quality. So the two types of transfer functions we have gone through, that is non-separable and separable transfer functions for low pass filter, we shall try to implement here, and you can see the display of that particular one. So let us go through it. So here we have the MATLAB environment provided. We take a new script here. So here we first of all comment what is the purpose of this particular program. So this is a program for low pass filter transfer function. CLC is clear, close all, and now we can begin with. So here very first of all we shall be going with the non-separable low pass filter transfer function. So for that purpose we assign the two variables. The two variables shall be A and B here, and we shall make the use of MATLAB syntax, that is fixed space, and it has the inputs. Let us have 256, and here we can provide for the frequency response, that is mesh grid here. We can terminate the sentence with semicolon. We can take the transfer function represented by H here. So H here we assign for the display purpose initially a matrix of zeros here, and the dimensions shall be 256 by 256 here. Now next we want the parameter D here, and that D can be calculated as per the formulation we have seen into the previous topic. Here we have the square root. So square root of the summation of squares of the two dimensions of the H here. So here the two dimensions are holded by A and B here. So square root, here we make A with the power 2 here, and it has been added with the square of B as well. So we make the power 2 for the B. Both the squares have been added here, and if this is less than the cutoff frequency we need to decide for this low pass filter, let us make it 0.5, and here we can assign H of D is equal to 1 here. So this way we have generated a transfer function of non-separable type for low pass filter. Now for the display purpose I shall be using I am show syntax here, and here I provide the input to I am show, that is H here. I can provide the title here also. The title shall be LPF, that is standing for the low pass filter transfer function. LPF transfer function. In the parenthesis I can provide non-separable. So this much we can save as the name program 1. Here it is, and we can execute this particular program. So here we can see the LPF transfer function of non-separable type. The dimensions 256 by 256 are here for this display, and as per the formulation we have gone through, that is the squares of the two dimensions A and B have been added up and been provided to the square root, and the limiting cutoff frequency shall be of the 0.5. We obtained this particular result here. So here you can see the variables A, B, D and H with the dimensions 256 by 256 and corresponding types here. The double type is for A, B and H, and for the D it is of logical that we have provided here. Now instead of making 0.5, if we make 0.7 here, save the changes and run this particular program, we can see the change into the output here. Now instead of having 0.7, if we make 0.9, saving the changes and running the program again, we obtain this type of output as displaying the transfer function for low pass filter. We can reduce the value also. If we make 0.2 here for the cutoff frequency of low pass filter, saving the changes and running the program, we obtain such an appearance for the low pass filter transfer function of non-separable type. Next, we shall be also displaying you and formulating for the separable type of low pass filter. So for the separable type of low pass filter transfer function, I have taken a new script here, and here I can mention the comment here for that purpose. So this is a program for low pass filter transfer function, low pass filter separable transfer function. Now we can get these things into the program, and afterwards we can be assigning again the parameters A and B with the syntax frequency space that will be providing here the platform to display the transfer function, and here it will be the mesh grid as a keyword here. So again we shall be taking a parameter capital H that is going to display the transfer function. So initially we have it as a matrix of zeros, and the dimensions again I make 256 by 256 here. The parameter D that we need to give as an input to this transfer function. Now for the separable purpose, we shall be applying the cutoff frequency separately to both the dimensions here. So I shall be making the use of absolute value of first parameter A, and here we can apply the cutoff frequency that is of 0.5 initially, and the second one is of another parameter. So here the absolute value of B, it shall also be less than 0.5 here. So we can give the input D to this particular function H to make it logically 1 here, and now we can display the transfer function. So for that purpose I shall be using IamShow. H is provided here, and simply the title we can display here. This is separable low pass transfer function. So I shall save this particular script with the name program 2, and we can run this particular one. So here we can display the separable low pass filter transfer function. So the cutoff frequency, it was set to 0.5. Now we can increase it also, we can make it 0.7 for both the dimensions, saving the changes and running it again. So we obtain the appearance of the output transfer function like this. We can again increase it up to 0.9. I can display, saving the changes and running it. So this is the appearance of the low pass separable transfer function. If we set the cutoff frequency 0.9, we can reduce it also, we can make it 0.2 for both the dimensions and running it. Now the advantage of having the separability for this particular transfer function is giving different cutoff frequencies to both the dimensions. So for the first one I have set 0.3, and for the second I have set 0.2. That time the output I can obtain like this. Here I can make 0.7. I keep the first one to the 0.3, saving the changes and running this particular program. we can obtain the transfer function for separable low pass filter like this. So the separable low pass transfer function gives us some kind of flexibility to work with the filter here. So I hope you have understood working with how exactly the low pass filter transfer functions of separable and non-separable type can appear, and we can proceed further for the image enhancement technique here. By the next lecture we shall be having one more topic to have the image enhancement into the frequency domain. Next filtering we shall be discussing about. If you want to have some more details and the topics of digital image processing, you can subscribe to Ekeeda channel. Thank you.